Alright, in this video, we are going to solve simultaneous equation using Garrus method. In our previous video, we used Cramer's rule, which is determinant method. It's the same question we solved the previous our video, that we are going to solve the same question to see if we can get the same answer. We can also use this method to solve system equation, which simply means that you are going to look for x, y, and z. But here we apply the method to solve this. We derive this 10x minus 9y equal to 2, 5x minus 4y equal to 2, which means 10 here. I bring this minus 9 over here, I bring this minus 4 here. All of them goes equal to 2. Then, for me to solve this problem, I brought this 10 down here, bring this 5 down, bring this minus 9 here, bring minus 4 here. Then I transfer this 10 over here, transfer this 5 over here. I transfer this minus 9 here and minus 4 over here. Then what do? I put this arrow to help someone understand how it's being multiplied. More especially engineering students can make use of this to solve system equation. And I take this minus first, I put it here. Then this minus 9 times this minus 5, I close the bracket, I bring this minus 9, minus here, then I bring this minus 4 times this 10. I close bracket, I bring this negative sign, this minus over here, and I said minus 9 times minus 5, I bring it here. Then this arrow that shows downwards signify that this 10 multiplied by this minus 4. Then I first of all put this plus here, and I said 4 minus 4 times 10, I put it here. I bring this plus sign, I put it over here, and I say minus 9 times 5, I put it here, close bracket, I bring this plus here, and I said minus 4 times 10, I get it here. Then I am to open the bracket now, and I say 9 times 5 minus 9 times 5, I have minus 45, minus 4 times 10, I have minus 40. Also here I bring this minus down, minus 9 times 5, I have minus 45, I bring this plus here, 4 times 10, I have, that's minus 40, and I bring this plus here, minus 5 times, minus 9 times 5, I have minus 40, plus here, and I say minus 4 times 10, I have minus 40. Mind to open the bracket. Now I'm having this negative sign, multiply the bracket inside, I'm having plus 45, and this minus times this minus plus, I bring this 40 down, minus times minus, I have plus 45, then I'm now having plus times minus, I have minus 40, plus times minus, I have minus 45, plus times minus, I have minus 40. Then plus 45 plus 40, I'm having plus 95, then plus 45, then minus 40 plus 45 minus 40, and all I have the determinant 0 now, which is equal to what? 5. Also, for me to get determinant 1, because in the formula we have determinant 0 and determinant 1 all over determinant 0, then you can be able to solve for x. Then I take this all over, that's equal to 2, I bring it first here, and I take this 1 inside, I put it here. In the same approach, and now take this 2 and 2, take it over here, take this minus 9, minus 4, take it over here, put negative, negative, negative for me to get clear understanding, and I cross this symbol, this arrow is for me to know, for someone to understand how I multiply through. And I put this negative, first of all put this negative sign first, and I said minus 9 times 2, I put this negative sign, 2 times minus 4, I put this negative sign, minus 9 times 2, I put it, I close bracket, I take this plus first, this 2 times 4, I put it here, I put plus also, which is mean this plus, and I say minus 9 times 2, which is this, I put plus, and I say 2 times minus 4, which is this. The same approach for me to open the bracket, minus, I have plus, having plus 18, plus 8, plus 18, minus times plus, we have minus 8, minus 18, and minus 8. I add all of them all here, minus 18, plus 8, plus 18 minus 8 minus 18 minus 8, I'm having determinant 1, which is equal to what? 10. I also derive, I bring this 10 here, I bring the other 2 here for me to solve for y, which is determinant 2. And I take this 10 and 5 over here, take this 2 down here. Now understand how it goes. 5 and 10 and 5, I take it here, 2 and 2, I take it over here. The same approach, negative, 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 so that you can understand. Take this negative sign first, put it down here, and I have 2 times 5, I bracket it, put this negative sign here. 10 times 2, I put negative sign here. 2 times 5, I put it, that's negative sign here. Then I put this plus down first. Now the same 10 times 2, I put it here, I put this plus here. 2 times 5, I put it here, put this plus here. Now say 10 times 2, I put it here. For me to open the bracket, I have 2 times 5, I bring this negative sign here. 2 times 5, I have 10. 10 times 2, I have 20. I bring negative sign. 2 times 5, 10. I bring this plus here. 10 times 2, I have 20. 2 times 5, I have 10. 10 times 2, I have 20. Now I have minus 10 here, minus 20, minus 10, plus 20, plus 10, plus 20. I add minus 10 plus minus 20, minus 10, plus 20, plus 10, plus 20. I'm having all, if you use my calculator here, use my calculator to add them all, I have this small minus 10 minus 20 minus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20. In all, I have what here? 10. So finally, to solve for x, and I have determinant 1, which is equal to all over determinant 2. The first determinant we have, which is 10, I have it here, which is 10 all over determinant 0, which is 5. 10 divided by 5, we have 2. Therefore, x equal to 2. To solve for y, which is determinant 2, all over determinant 0. We also have this 10 divided by determinant 0, which is 5. The 10 divided by 5, I have 2. Therefore, y equal to what? 2. And this is exactly what we have in the previous method we used to solve the same problem. Thank you very much. In my next video, we'll actually use another method, substitution method, to solve the same problem, to show you that mathematics is very easy.